BARVENT is a group of companies of leading manufacturers and suppliers of a wide range of products in the market of Uzbekistan, founded in 1993. In a relatively short period of time, thanks to a clearly defined business strategy, BARVENT has become one of the leading manufacturers and suppliers in the market of Uzbekistan. For 30 years of work, the company has gained more than 1,000 loyal customers and produced more than 200 types of products. The total area of the company is 70,000 square meters, of which 30,000 square meters is the production area. The number of employees is more than 400 people. The group of companies includes several divisions: Big Prom Service, Instroytorg, Real Trade Group, Promhim Impex. Since 2005, Big Prom Service has been producing personal respiratory protection equipment, respirators, masks, petals, as well as non-woven clothing for operating units. Currently, production workshops are located in the following cities: Tashkent, Almalyk, Navai and Hatorchi district. The production volume reaches more than 5 million masks per year. The company employs over 200 people. Today, Big Prom Service is one of the largest manufacturers of personal protective equipment in Uzbekistan. In 2011, Big Prom Service equipped a greenhouse with an area of 1.5 hectares using Korean hydroponics technology. In 2007, Instroytorg division launched production of craft bags and corrugated boxes. Currently, the production capacity allows us to produce 7 million craft bags and 5 million corrugated boxes per year. The company Real Trade Group is engaged in import and wholesale of chemical reagent and rubber products. We closely cooperate with the largest enterprises of Uzbekistan, such as Navai Azot, Navai Mining and Metallurgical Combine, Almalyk Mining and Metallurgical Combine, GM Uzbekistan, Maksam Cherchik, Uzbekneftegaz, Kazalkum Cement. In 2015, Promhim Impex launched a new business line for the production of polyanionic cellulose and carboxymethyl cellulose under the patented brand ASDA. Today, we are one of the largest producers in the CIS countries. Our production lines are located in Tashkent and Navai. The volume of output reaches 10,000 tons per year. Promhim Impex laboratories are accredited under international standard and all products meet API, American Petroleum Institute, and ISO 13500-2008 standards. To continuously improve the quality of our products, we closely cooperate with the Institute of Chemistry and Physics of Polymers of the Academy of Sciences of the Republic of Uzbekistan, as well as with leading laboratories of CIS countries. High-tech Schneider lines working on Siemens system make it possible to produce highly purified PAC with up to 95% of the main substance, which makes our product competitive in quality with world analogs. We produce not only cotton pulp-based PAC, but also low-viscosity PAC from wood pulp, which allows us to compete in terms of product cost. The production fully meets environmental requirements, has no harmful emissions that pollute the environment. We are constantly updating production processes and introducing innovative technologies. It is no secret that the best cotton is grown in countries with hot climates, such as Egypt, India, the United States and Uzbekistan. It is Uzbek cotton that is unique due to its geographical location, which provides direct exposure to sunlight. We select the best varieties of cotton to make our products. Rosneft, Gazprom, Lukoil, Ariel, Epsilon, British Petroleum, Uzbekneftegaz, Sokar, Total choose our ASDA drilling reagents because we have proven ourselves as a reliable partner. The main factor was the production of drilling reagents of consistently high quality, which have proven themselves in the most difficult field conditions. Our partners choose ASDA products because they have a number of advantages. Firstly, are effective in reducing mud water cutoff. Secondly, are excellent viscosity regulators. Thirdly, have high temperature resistance, up to 120 degrees Celsius. Fourthly, control rheological parameters of drilling fluids. Fifthly, are effective at high pH values, up to 11.5. In addition to drilling reagents, Promchem Impex produces a large line of high-quality CMC under the ASDA brand for paint and ceramic products, liquid building materials, detergents, textile industry and water-based paints. Major manufacturers of water-based paints and building materials choose ASDA by replacing synthetic thickeners HEC and HPMC with ASDA thickeners, which helps to reduce production costs while maintaining high product quality. ASDA thickeners differ from their analogs in that they dissolve quickly in water, they are ideal for liquid application, they retain their original appearance and adhesive properties for more than 10 days in the form of a ready mix, they are not subject to biodegradation and are non-toxic. Promchem Impex export geography covers such countries as Russia, Kazakhstan, Azerbaijan, Tajikistan, Kyrgyzstan, Turkmenistan. The company never rests on its laurels and plans to expand its export potential. We respect and appreciate our customers, and we always follow the main principle: profit is above everything, but honor is above profit.